This is a videotape presentation of the 2002 Haas TM-1. And right now I warmed up the spindle, so I'm going to go ahead and crank it up a little bit here. I think we're going to go about 3,500 RPMs. Spindle looks like it's in really nice shape. No vibration, anything like that. I'll go ahead and stop it here, let you get a look inside here. I don't know if you guys can make that out or not, but looks like it's in real nice shape there. And next we'll go ahead and run it through its paces. Start with the handle jog here. If I know how to operate it. Go ahead and go back with the Y. It does have the floppy drive. We'll verify the serial number is 28402, manufacturer 5 of 02. Get a shot of the inside of the electrical cabinet here. Everything seems to be in nice clean shape. It does also have this, it has some type of filter mist on it. And this concludes the videotape presentation of the 2002 Haas TM-1.